Hello, everyone. As always, a pleasure for me to be here with you. I'm going to ask one question. What gives your life meaning? I know there are converging ideas about what life's meaning truly is. Many people argue that life's meaning is to attain individual objectives, including the discovery of a unique purpose, our passion, our calling, and dedication to things that we want to accomplish, right? So what gives your life meaning? What gives my life meaning? Does your education, your social connection, or your professional status, do they give your life meaning? Really? I have bad news for you. What I have come to understand is that possessing riches and fortune don't give my life complete meaning. The Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of the Tibetan Buddhism, said, our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Okay? Life's meaning can be found in, really, in our connection and contributions, including helping others or making a positive influence in the world, or providing social support to loved ones, or to even people who are not related to you, right? So I want you to think closely about that. Alan Wilson Watt, a British and American writer and speaker, once said, the meaning of life is just to be alive. It is so plain and so obvious and so simple. And yet, everybody rushes around in a great panic as if it were necessary to achieve something beyond themselves. So life is so simple, so there's no need really to waste it and not to do anything. We don't have to live in a castle to be able to enjoy life, or to be able to say, okay, my life has meaning. What we should keep in mind is that we can discover life's meaning by experiencing all the things that life has to offer, including natural beauty, the variety of trees, the beautiful flowers, astonishing lakes, okay? Or by enjoying music, or even having authentic interaction with other people. You see? Listen to what I'm going to say. We don't have to be the most educated person in the world to find meaning in life. We don't have to be the richest person in life or in the world, okay, to find meaning in life, okay? We can have one simple thing, one simple gesture, or one simple action that we take can bring meaning to our lives. As Jackie Robinson said, life is not a spectator sport. If you are going to spend your whole life in the grandstand just watching what goes on, in my opinion, you're wasting your life, right? So, for example, the fact that we are alive, okay? Life meaning is being alive, okay? It is going to bed at night and being able to wake up in the morning in good health. Because so many people cannot enjoy good health. Living life is also knowing joy in the midst of hardship, to know how to face difficulties. That gives meaning to our life. I know that when I'm in the company of people that I cherish, that I love, for example, my children, my wife, my life has a lot of meaning, okay? So life's meaning is not necessarily about attaining our own selfish objectives. Life meaning is to positively contribute to people's lives or to bring changes to their lives. My advice for you is to try to find life meaning by helping others, by helping someone else. Do not rely on the things that you possess, on the kind of degree that you achieve, or the professional status that you have, or the social status that you have to say, okay, my life has a lot of meaning. No. Life meaning is to make a difference in people's life, okay? Is to contribute positively to someone else's life, okay? So I want you to think about that, and then you will continue to live happily because you don't just rely on the things that you possess, okay, to enjoy life. You can enjoy life in different ways, in all kind of occasions, and you can enjoy life at all time. My name is Willie Delmas. It was a pleasure for me to bring you this little encouragement. So I want you to go to my YouTube channel, the Willie Delmas channel on YouTube, to view other videos, and then I'm urging you to please share, and if you did not subscribe, okay, I would like you to subscribe and then share the videos, so a little encouragement can reach someone, and then you never know, so that person's life can be changed in some way. Thank you. I'll see you next Saturday at 6 p.m. Goodbye.